48 or positive 48.
My name is Benjamin Ice. Most people just call me Ben, and I'm a foreman here at L.E. Myers, and we do all the cell phone work on top of the power towers.
We have a unique situation here with Dominion Energy. We actually got in on the ground floor. I think it was in either 2001 or early 2002. We had 20 towers to build in the first 4 months. It was stressful because we were learning along the way, but we got it done on time and paid off since then.
These towers are energized when we climb up between the lines, so we just have to keep a good clearance.
Dominion probably has 400 to 500 cell sites on their towers. Our crews have built probably 95% of that.
We climb up, take stuff down, put new stuff up, 4G and 5G and whatever else new technologies come out.
There's a lot of planning is when you can have that tower out and for how long. So yeah, you really have to have all your ducks in a row to keep that on schedule. And our crews, they're excellent. We wouldn't have been here for 20-some years doing it if we weren't.
We preach to safety, and we've, knock on wood, we've had a good safety record.
Especially being a groundsman and running the hand line, is keeping that hand line out of the high voltage lines. So that's one of the most critical things that I have to keep my eyes on as a groundsman.
We go over all the hazards, and then we figure out ways to mitigate those hazards. Everybody likes to go home. Most everyone has a family. So that's our highest priority, is getting everyone home in the evenings.
And I enjoy this work. It's rewarding and it seems important, you know, working with cell phone carriers and making sure your 5G and all works.